Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix charge twice for one ticket on Flixbus. If you're in this situation, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you get Flixbus, or where can you get it? You can get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flixbus. It's going to take you through on-screen prompts to download and install. After downloading and installing successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to fix charge twice for one ticket on Flixbus. Let's go ahead and get some help. Now that's double charge. That's what Flixbus calls double charge. So I was charged twice for my purchase. If you're that person, you really have help here. So if you got charged more than once, it is likely that this is just a temporary error that should be automatically resolved within 24 hours. Flixbus is trying to let you know that you should take a chill pill and relax within 24 hours, and within 25 hours, 25 hours rather, it should be resolved. But after 24 hours and it doesn't resolve, please don't take a chill pill anymore. What you're gonna do is to, if the problem persists, so go ahead and use the contact us button below and contact us, and we'll fix the problem as soon as possible. So I'm quickly going to show you how you can contact them so you can access the contact form. So from here in your Flixbus homepage, head over to the bottom corner of the screen. You're going to find the more icon. Click on that and select need help, and it's going to take you to the help window. All right, so from here I'm just going to show you what to do next. Okay, so scroll the way down. Here it says, what subject can we help you with? In this case, you were charged twice, right? So go ahead and click on that, and let's say, all right, so problems. Okay, let's just do feedback. So select feedback and specify your subject, what kind. So just do others and feedback. That's going to take you to that form. So from the form, from this form, enter your first name, enter your last name, your email, confirm your email, and booking number. Where you have this confirm email means you should just copy and paste whatever you added to email to this confirm email box. And in these details, just go ahead and let them know that you were charged twice. I mean, why would they even do that in the first place? It could be an error, like I said. After 24 hours, do not take a chill pill. Go ahead and let them know that you were charged twice. What's happening? Now, upload your files. You can upload the file of your invoice. Let them know that you were charged twice, or the transaction itself, the receipt of the transaction. After that, go ahead and click on send. And once you click on send, they will definitely get back to you. So just watch out for your email for you to get your response. So this is pretty much how you can fix charge twice for one ticket on Flixbus. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.